What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys we do have another price update, price prediction on Jasmycoin. As you can see, it has been pumping quite a bit over the last couple of days and has taken a slight breather today. And if we go back to this chart, it has just about gone down 3%, but again it's nothing major. It is still fluctuating around 0.0379. And in yesterday's video I did let you guys know, do expect a slight dip in value today because it's been going up so high. You know, it had to come back down a little bit, and that is exactly what's happened. So in today's video, again, I'm going to go through my predictions over the next couple of hours, days, weeks, and also my prediction overall in 2022, looking at if anything has changed, any new updates, any new news on this crypto, and also answering your questions on whether it's a good time to buy it right now, should you wait for it to dip, should you sell it, and stuff like that. But before I get into all of that stuff, if you're new to the channel and you haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I'm trying to hit 50,000 subscribers as soon as possible. And once I do hit that target, there will be a cryptocurrency giveaway which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel, and for a bonus entry following me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. And once again, for this giveaway, there's going to be at least 3 lucky winners winning cryptocurrencies, so make sure you stay tuned on my Instagram for more details regarding the giveaway. So in the last hour itself, it has unfortunately dropped 10% in just a single hour, which is not looking too great. And over the last day, 3%. As you can see, it's been very volatile. It's been up and down all over the place, but overall it has dropped 3%, which is not major, but when you look at the hourly chart, it is quite of a a major dip. Over the week it has gone up a huge 178% in value. As you can see, just about a week ago, so on the 13th of March, it was fluctuating around the 1 cent mark and has gone all the way up to 4 cents earlier on today, but ever since then it has taken a slight dip, which was expected. Of course, cryptos do dip, when it goes through a huge price increase in value. It is overvalued at that point and it will drop back in value, and that is exactly what's happened. And over the month it is 61% up. As you can see, for most of the month, it was doing nothing but dropping in value all the way up until 14th of March, which was just about 5 days ago, where it finally decided to pump, and yeah, it's done a very good job. So going into the coin market cap website, we can see the trading volume at the moment has gone up by a massive 120% in the last 24 hours, making it $3.2 billion, meaning a lot of people have been trading. We've seen a lot of buyers, 65% buy against 35% sell. So yeah, more people are investing, and we're also getting a lot of sellers. Overall, there are a lot of people trading the crypto, both buyers and sellers. And let's get straight into the price prediction. And again, before I go into anything else, I just want to let you guys know, as usual, this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So yes, we do have the Fibonacci scale on the screen right now. However, I'm not going to be using it right now. I'll be bringing this back later on in the video. Let's hide this and bring out the MACD indicator to do the price prediction. So at the bottom, we've got the MACD indicator, and at the top, the candlestick pattern chart with the SMA indicator, which is the purple line running across the chart, which is currently valuing it at 0.01916. However, we can clearly see it is trading at a much higher value at 0.03771, which is in red here, meaning at the moment it is performing very well. However, it is overvalued, and that is why you're seeing it starting to dip in value, because it is overvalued. So it will probably drop down to about the 3 cents mark over the next couple of hours. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then move on to the hourly, daily, and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. So zooming in here, we've got the blue line and the orange line looking a little bit bearish. They're not looking too steep, especially the orange line. It looks like it is going in a straight line. However, if you look very closely, we can clearly see it is slightly heading towards the negative direction, and so is the blue line, sorry. So both the lines at the moment are starting to head towards the negative direction, meaning slight drops in value are expected over the coming hours. And we can also clearly see for the past 2 hours it has been dropping in value as well, and that is likely to carry on. Again, I'm not saying it's going to be consistently hitting red candles. That's not, of course, I don't mean that. There will be green candles in between. There will be red candles. I'm just saying the overall outcome towards the end of the day today and early hours of tomorrow seems to be more on the negative side, probably dropping down to about 0.034 or even lower than that, by tomorrow midday. Moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days are again not looking too great. We've got the blue line and the orange line looking bearish, going in a negative direction, meaning more drops are on the way for Jasmycoin. And by this I mean towards the end of next week we'll probably see a slightly lower value than what it's worth at the moment. Don't get me wrong guys, yes, it may pump back up in value tomorrow after midday, or the day after. You may see it hitting about the 4 cents mark, or even going to about the 5 cents mark any day next week, about Monday or Tuesday, or even higher than that for the following days, Wednesday, Thursday and so on. But it is very likely it's going to slightly drop back down in value towards the end of next week. However, you guys have asked me to do regular updates on Jasmy every single day, so that is what I'm going to stick to. You guys have requested it, so you deserve it. So make sure you stay subscribed and turn on the bell notifications to get notified every time I upload. Moving on to the daily chart. Next couple of weeks, what can we expect here? Now we are looking bullish. We got the blue line and the orange line going in a positive direction, meaning more increases in value are expected over the long run. So let's say by late April to mid-May, do expect a higher value than what it's worth at the moment. Hopefully guys, heading towards the 10 cents mark by late May and early June as well. However, it is kind of too early to judge on that. Again, you never know what updates may come across or any new news that come across that could have a potential impact on the value of Jasmy, either in a positive or negative way. But you know me guys, either way I'm going to keep you guys updated on a regular basis to give you guys the most up-to-date information and the most accurate predictions as much as possible. So yeah, the long run, it looks good. Over the next 2 to 3 months is looking very good. More increases in value are expected. I'm still holding my Jasmy. I haven't sold it, I haven't bought more. I'm just holding what I've got, and I will be holding it for the next couple of months and years, depending on how Jasmy performs. So let's get rid of the MACD indicator and bring out the Fibonacci scale, which I had on the screen. We are still in the red zone at the moment. We are nowhere near this target here, which is the 65 cents mark, guys. We are too far away from that. We can see that this was back in May last year. It did hit the $2.72, and then yeah, had a major drop down in value. So yeah, we are far off from this target, so I'm not even gonna talk about the 65 cents mark. Maybe in Q4 of 2022, maybe it may be hitting 65 cents, but again, we are too far off from that target, so we're just gonna ignore the fact of hitting 65 cents or even 50 cents at the moment. But yeah, these are my predictions and my takes on Jasmy, guys. If you guys have any questions or any queries, just let me know in the comment section down below, or send me a DM on Instagram and I'll try and answer it in my next Jasmy update, which will of course be tomorrow, because I'm trying to keep consistent and uploading every single day on Jasmy. But yeah, that is pretty much it guys for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, make sure to leave it a like, and if you didn't, leave it a like as well. So either way, go down and smash the like button and subscribe to the channel. Let's try and hit 50k subs as soon as possible. And before you click off, make sure to like, subscribe, share, comment and all of that stuff, and I'll catch all of you in my next crypto update, which should be later on today. Until then, take care and peace.